Hello, good. What time is it? Okay, 10:42. Good morning. Still morning. Yeah, pre-chess logging and many more. Okay, I have internet. I forgot. Oh God, no! Please stop loading. Shit. One who's watching this video. The game that I'm playing is in the caption, Lord IO. This game is about strategy games, which I very much like. Okay, I'm not. I may, maybe I go with Philippines if there's Philippines. Oh, there's no. I go Japan. Okay, play. Slide to move your lord and pick up coins. Okay. Okay. This is from Overview Top Games. What that means is, oh, oh, you have minions. For some apparent reason, you have so much. Okay, okay. Return to build, recruit. Oh, no more. Secrets. Secrets Knights. This kinds of games starts with always with the recruiting. I don't know why. This is a what you call it, Lloyd's Mobile. But IO meanings it's in oh shit. Okay, enemy. Okay, I can make sure you are connected. Server region or restart again. Okay, I still have. Oh shit, what is that? I'm lagging. Shit, I'm dead. Oh, someone messaged me. Oh. This. Ah, fuck. I hate games that. Oh, I almost. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, shit. Let's wait. I shouldn't have died there. No thanks. Restart. Okay, now I can move. Okay, now I have. I need much. What? I don't really understand this game. You can't build there. Hey, shit. I don't really understand how to do this games. And I am now silent on how to play. And for some reason, don't know what. Shit, don't message me. I'm going to lag. And where is my... Okay, for some... Okay, now that's trolling. So much silence for so no reason why. Still don't know how to play this game. Hey. Oh shit. I'm busy, I'm doing something. Don't talk to me right now. Okay, we're going to need to go back. Pass, pass. Okay, they're destroying something there. Okay, oh shit. Oh shit. Really think... Hey, stop bugging me. Okay, there's plenty of money again. Oh shit, what is that? Fuck! Lost again. For some reason. I don't get this game for some... What does this thing do? I'm not sure. Oh shit, he's here again. Oh shit. Oh fuck, fuck! I can't load it. Oh, that's how you play the game. Hello everyone, this is a voiceover, so if you don't know, that's when you put a voice that is not recorded while playing the game. So we're now playing when I have known that I should put these things that I'm destroying right now into the game, which as you already know, I'm ignoring from the start, from the beginning of the game. For now, this is the game that I still lost the game because there's someone better at me doing it. Shit. And I will only show you the end of the game because that's the only thing you want to see, the carnage of the game, which I lost even if I was grinding all the way from the last game. See, destroyed, he got packed up, and next time I'm going to be the one pack up. Then another game will be played. Well, I also lost it too. I played 3 games of this and still lost. So if you already know, that's when you stop, because you know you're not going to be good at it for now. So for now, this is the last one. I will explain it also in the last one in the end of the video if you want to stay. So thank you for watching the game. The other 2 minutes will be the last phase of it. So thank you and watch the next clip. No, fuck! Okay, let's exit. Shop. What do we get in shop? Much HP, more mages. Let's go to our... What's this? Oh! So start with 10 knights. What's this? Gives your dragon's dance. Oh, I didn't use this. Plus 5 HP. Why would I need to start with 1 mages? I like the knights better. This one. I like better. Okay, I have a great bit. How about this? Oh shit. Okay guys, that is it for now. I'm just going to mingle with this for a later, but I will show it to you because what the hell am I waiting? I'm doing. So just for now, this is the gameplay. This is the part where I should sign up and tell you that watch out for my place and this. But if you like this, you can subscribe. You don't have to like, you can just watch, because I need more watch time before I need more subscriber. It's a 40,000 hours, so I'll just wait for your subscription later. You can just watch it for now, and someone is chatting with me, so I'm going to get a big lag, so maybe later I'll upload another one. So bye for now, and thank you for watching my stream. This is not a stream, just a recording of the game. Thank you. Also, if you want to watch more of this, there will be upcoming videos of this. I'm just needing to grind more for these kinds of cards, because I suck at the game, because as you can see, I didn't even put a buff in my character. So maybe later I'll add another one. So goodbye for now. Bye. Ah,